Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to unbox Wheels Entertainment series. One of my favorite casting in this box will be the Doctor Strange Lamborghini Huracan. I haven't seen it yet, so let's take a look now. Let's take it randomly. First up, 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. I think this appears in other set as well, and need no more introduction. I love the casting though. The gold color is brilliant. Gas Monkey Garage endorsed. How many do they have? I think there's only one inside the box. Next, Acura NSX GT3, very popular casting, especially with the Advan livery. Lots of people crazy about it. Very detailed livery. The front, the back. All red on the bottom. See that? Nice, very nice. From the project Cars 2. And you have 3 in the box. 3 of them. Next, as I said, my favorite casting in this box, Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Gunmetal. Look at the front. At the top, 6-spoke wheel. All black at the bottom. Highly detailed rear. Black. Doctor Strange. You have 2 of them. Good for me. So I can open one of them and keep one inside the pack. Next up, Back to the Future 3. 1955. It's a no rear rider, because in this movie this DMC is running along the track, the railroad. So that's what we get. Good for Back to the Future collectors. Very nice detail. Good highlight. And then this. Cool. I believe they have 2. They have 2 in the box. The last casting will be also from Back to the Future Part 1. Ford Super Deluxe. And come with sheet. Yeah. The wheel look nice though. The front, very good. The back and the bottom. And this is another casting from Back to the Future franchise. 2 for them in the box. So let's take a more look. Gas Monkey Corvette 68. Acura NSX GT3, my favorite. Another favorite, Lamborghini Huracan Coupe from Doctor Strange, love it. And two Back to the Future, Ford Super Deluxe and the DMC. Do tell me which one is your favorite casting in the comment below, and do not forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel for more video in the future. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.